Guys, so for today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my ambrosia salad, and I usually make this for like the holidays, and this is one of my favorite salads to make and it's super easy. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna start off with is I'm gonna pour my marshmallows into my bowl or container. Should taste pretty good. The next thing that I'm gonna add is my fruit cocktail, and I'm gonna take the juice out. Then I'm gonna add my coconut, and then since I feel like it's a lot, I'm only gonna be adding half a bag. My whipped cream. Then the last thing that I forgot to mention, I'm gonna be adding some pecans. So I ended up buying more cherries, and these are actually my favorite kind because I feel like this one only comes with like 2 or 3 little cherries. So I'm gonna be adding more cherries into my salad.